Thanks for joining me for another installment of Bayesfield in 5. In this video, we're talking about event operations. We're going to talk about what it is, how we define it, and some context to how it relates to operating renewable assets with Bayesfield. Event operations, which is shown here in my local development environment, was first introduced in 2024 with the 10.6 release of the Bayesfield portal. For those of you familiar with previous releases, it's an evolution to the operations log application. This is our main application for showing an event alarm information made with a specific focus for operations teams. It is the hub linking real-time control centers to site teams in the field while making sure you're bringing in insights from performance teams and advanced analytics tools. And with that said, let's jump into the definitions. What is event operations? Let's start by defining what an event is in Bayesfield. An event is something that comes with a distinct start and end. Right? We have a condition for true, we have a condition for false, and we're going to track that timestamp. The next thing is that it's going to have a preset set of expected definitions. It's going to have a code, it's going to have a name, it's going to have a description, right? All sorts of different meta fields that are going to be pre-set up before that event comes in. And lastly, it's going to be related to an object, right? Think of your turbine, think of your inverter. They're all going to have their preset list of fault codes, right? That we're going to define and build into events. Next, let's talk about operations a little bit. Operations are where user interactions come into play. There's going to be tools for, monitoring, managing, notifying, right? Think of things like your comments, your labels, your quick emails, things of that nature. The next major part of event operations is cases. Cases are a collection, right? If you're going to make a case, that means you're going to have a collection of events and or objects that require follow-up. Think of your types of situations where things aren't going to be solved without some level of human interaction. These cases also come with their own set of extended or advanced operations that are going to help you define things, assign things, attach things, all of those different types of things. So that was a quick summary of all our main pieces of event operations. Thanks for joining, and we'll see you next time.